Catalonia is the territory with the greatest concentrations of sports business in Europe, with over 500 companies related to sports, a turnover exceeding 4,000 million euros and more than 22,000 employees. There are many reasons to show why Catalonia is sport. Barcelona is the third city in the world regarding club members and sports practice in Catalonia. Since the 1992 Olympic Games, Barcelona has become a worldwide reference and a model to follow in the organization of prestigious international sports events. Catalonia has more than 35,000 sports areas, which allows the Catalan population to enjoy more than 300 different sporting activities. From motorsports to sailing, skiing, cycling or golfing. Catalonia is home of some of the world's best-known sportsmen, but it is also known for its capacity to attract talent through education and training in sports. The High Performance Center, CAR, is a great example of a center focused on elite sportsmen. The great significance of sports and entrepreneurship that has traditionally identified the Catalan population have led to an emerging group of Catalan sports companies. Led by Barcelona, Catalonia has become a perfect destination for business and professional gatherings. Most foreign sports companies choose Catalonia as the permanent headquarters in Spain, with R&D production or commercial centers. In terms of innovation, Barcelona is home of leading clusters on health and ICT. Research is also promoted through a network made up of 8 technology centers and 12 universities. Located in the northeast of Spain, between the Pyrenees and the Mediterranean seashores, Catalonia has a strategic geographical situation which allows the enjoyment of a Mediterranean climate for any sports practice. Indescat is the Catalan Sports Industry Cluster. Its mission is to bring together companies and research centers related to the sports world, with the main objective of developing actions improve companies' competitiveness, encouraging innovative products and services. Indescat represents more than 40 companies and research centers with an overall turnover of 900 million euros. Provide services and products to the whole sports market, consumer goods, sports facilities and sports events. In conclusion, Indescat promotes the sports sector and Catalonia as a whole. Catalonia is sport, just come and see.